Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This one is an absolutely beautiful spec, black on black, and it is just phenomenal. This is part of our pre-owned inventory, but it still looks brand new. This is part of our certified pre-owned inventory program. 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. This also has power side steps where if you push a button, it extends out to the bed. Sunroof. Plenty of back seat room. Nice soft leather seats. Overall, really nice in here. Definitely one of my favorite trucks on the market. Bose sound system, nice wood grain trim. Automatic windows, of course. Wireless charging right here. And if you don't have enough chargers, there's some more. Power adjustable pedals. This one is absolutely fully loaded. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and go for a drive. This has the 6.2 liter V8, tons of torque, good amount of power, and a great sound. Over the bumps, nice, soft, comfortable ride. 8-speed automatic transmission. I do like the interior of the Sierra. Always really have, especially this generation. The interior didn't change much for the 2020 refresh. So even though it's a 2017, it still has all the features you would expect in a modern day truck. Brake pedal feels great. I always like to test the brakes in our pre-owned inventory, just because it's not new anymore, and make sure that everything's all set and ready to go. And this one is very well sorted. There you go. So how is it to drive on these narrow roads? It's actually very good. It's a very good size. It's not overbearing. It's really, really easy to drive on these narrower roads. Overall, this is really, really nice. I've always loved these things. This one's in absolutely superb condition. It's a really, really good spec too. With a black on black with the red calipers, looks really, really good. I am a big fan. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.